Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fibonacci retracement for your crypto trading. Fibonacci retracement is a popular technical analysis tool that helps traders identify potential support and resistance levels in an asset's price movement. It's based on the Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical series where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. These ratios help us anticipate where a price might retrace before continuing its original trend. The most commonly used Fibonacci retracement levels are 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. These percentages are derived from mathematical relationships within the Fibonacci sequence. Traders observe these specific levels as potential areas where a price pullback might end, offering opportunities for strategic entry or exit points in a trending market. To apply Fibonacci retracement, navigate to Coinbase Advanced, which offers robust charting tools. Within the integrated trading view charts, locate the Fibonacci retracement tool. For an uptrend, click and drag from a significant swing low to a swing high. For a downtrend, you would do the opposite, dragging from a swing high to a swing low. This action will automatically display the key retracement levels on your chart. Fibonacci retracement is most effective when used with other technical analysis tools. Look for additional confirmation, such as specific candlestick patterns or increased trading volume, when the price reaches a Fibonacci level. This combined approach can help you identify higher probability trade setups, allowing you to strategically place your entry orders, set appropriate stop-loss levels, and define profit targets with greater confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.